Hello everyone! Julia and little Cherry are here. Today you will learn how to draw a sloth. So guys, what you will need for drawing a sloth today? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you have at home. We wish you a happy drawing, guys! So let's start and have some fun! Okay guys, let's draw a sloth today. So I will be drawing a sloth which is hanging on a tree. So I will just start drawing from his head. And let's draw first his eyes. So I will draw 2 circles for his eyes. Just keep a distance and draw one more. And then a circle inside and one more. And a small circle inside for the spotlight. And the same here. Circle, circle and a small one inside. So 2 eyes are ready. Now I will draw a line up and then curve it a bit and connect for the eyebrow, and it's the same here. So and now let's draw his nose. So I will draw a straight line here and then in the middle of it just a little bit down, and then with curved lines connecting them. It will be its nose. And our sloth is always smiling, so we'll draw a beautiful smiley curved line here for its smile. And now I will draw a squished oval all around and a little bit squished here down, and then go a bit of up and squish it all around. So it's pretty funny, look like this. And now we will draw a circle around. It's also a little bit squished for his head, so I will draw a line here and a line here, and then try to keep the same distance all around and connect them. If something goes wrong, we can always rub it out and then just correct, because we are drawing with a pencil, so it makes it really easy for us. So, and now let's draw a little bit of hair here just to make it look cute. And I will also show this dark lines going down and the same curved lines going down like this. So, and now let's draw his body, and he is hanging on a branch, so we will just draw his body line and then try to draw a curved line for the branch. So I will draw a line down like this, just a bit down, and then go up, and then I will go up and down. So now I will go for his legs. So I will go down and then go up and down like this, and I will draw a 3 toy sloth. So I will draw 3 claws here. So I will draw a line down, up, down, up, down, up like this. And now I will just put a curved line here just to show a branch. So I will draw a curved line going up. If something goes wrong, it's fine, because it's a tree, it's not ideal, it's fine. And we will go up. And then I will just repeat this line. So I will draw a line again and repeating this line going up. And we can draw some leaves on it and some berries and sloth-like leaves. And I will draw another like here, a curved line going up, and 3 claws, 1, 2, 3. And you know, the sloths are 3 times stronger than us, and they have very long hands, so I will just draw it like this. So I will just put a hand under the angle, so I will draw a line here and then a curved line connecting it. And I will rub it out, all unnecessary lines, and then you can use a marker or a pen and it will be easy for you just to draw it. And now I will draw 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3, and all sloths are blind in bright daylight, but they can see a little bit in a darker space, but they have a really great smell, and that helps them to move and to find new leaves for them. And now I will just draw another hand here, so I will just put a little bit like almost in the middle, and we'll go down with a line. Then I will just continue it here and just connecting with a curved line here, just to show that his hand is here and he's handing around. And you can draw a line here as well. And now we can even a little bit rub down this line, like not to make it too long, and to keep them on one level. And this is belly going down. Now we'll draw 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3. And now we can draw like a belly here, and we can also show some leaves on the tree, and maybe even draw a butterfly. So I will draw just a butterfly here. So I will draw a line, a circle on the top, and a curved squished oval, and a curved squished oval, and the same small one down. So my butterfly is ready in 2 lines here. And now we can draw some leaves for our sloth. So he's really very slow to eat leaves. So I'm drawing a line up and a squished oval on the top. A line up and a squished oval on the top. And you can draw as many leaves as you wish, guys. So I will draw maybe 1 here and maybe 1 more here. So let's give some food to our sloths. And they usually live in South and Central America, so there are a lot of berries there, and we can draw some berries as well, so we can draw them down. So a sloth is really slow, it will take ages for him to get to this berry. So I will draw a circle, 1 circle here and 1 more here. Then I will draw a line, cross it with a line, and 1 more. A line, cross it with a line, and 1 more. Line, cross it, and 1 more. So our berries are ready, and I will just draw lines to connect them, and lines going all around just to show the leaves. And you can also draw leaves, so we will draw a line, curved semicircle, semi-oval, and the same here, and maybe 1 more line, and again squished oval around. And we can draw 1 more here and curved line connecting it, and a curved line here, and we can draw even 1 more going up and down. So, and you can go down like this. So, and now all we have to do is just to color our cute sloth. Okay guys, let's color our cute sloth. So I will color with brown his eyes, and I will use the same dark brown, probably a little bit lighter for these dark spots around his eyes, and yeah, a little bit lighter, just trying to go all around, shading it. And now I will just color the second one. And our sloth is really lazy, so he's probably sleeping around 20 hours a day, so they really sleep a lot. And here we go. So, and I will use dark for eyebrows, and now I will color with light one his face. So I will use like salmon color, or you can use just maybe light brown if you have. So I will use this color, and you can use just a pencil just to shade a bit of his smiley face. And you know that 3 close sloths are always smiling, so they're really smiley animals. And now we will just color his fingers, and with the same color. Now I will go with light brown for all his body around. So it's just up to you which color you will use, how light it will be, but I will use this one. So I'm just shading around our sloth, and you can always give him a name, and he's really cute animal. And they're a little bit faster in like maybe 3 times or even more. They're faster in water, so they're really slow on earth but fast when they swim, and they're good swimmers. So what we are doing now is just shading around, trying to keep inside black lines. And here we go. And I like how he's coming up. He's really cute, and I love these animals. So hope to see them one day in real. And now we will color his body. So I will just go with shading his body and trying to keep these lines like all around, so to show the shape. Yeah. And to show his fur, so it's really cute now. And now I will color the branch. I will go with dark brown here, and it goes all around, so you can draw it all around and show that it's growing, but I'll just show a part of a tree, so it's fine to keep it like this. And no rush here, just take your time, just make our sloths really happy. And here we go. And I love drawing with you, my friends, so hope you also enjoy drawing with me. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video to see my new videos. And now we will color this butterfly. I will go for bright pink, I think. So yeah, I love pink, so I will go for pink. And you can use any color. Maybe you will decide to make it rainbow colors or blue or purple. Why not? And I will use green for the leaves. And we are almost there. So our leaves are green, sun is shining, and Sloth is smiling. And here we go. We are just shading it, just trying to show the pattern of the leaf. And you can use some white spaces to keep it bright and to show spotlight and sunlight. You can use light yellow and drop some shadows. So, and now I will be shading this last one. Yes, and now we'll just go around these lines and color berries with red, but you can make them blue or maybe orange. And look guys, how cool is our sloth. It's really adorable. I love it. Well done guys. Thank you for watching this video guys. We hope you enjoyed drawing sloths with us. And if you like our lessons, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to share your beautiful artworks with us. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. We love you guys. Bye bye.